Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that there is less of volatility we have seen from previous 2 days. Okay, if you look at this today, we have seen it has made a half around 25.20 and a low of around 25.04. Previous day if we go, we have seen a high of around 25.27 and a low of around 25.09. That means around $20 movement, even less dollars movement we have seen. But previous days we have seen there is a good volatility. Okay, otherwise there is in this particular range the price is moving for so long. Okay, because see, as we have seen that the price in 2024 has made 3 highs, was second, third, and this is the fourth one we have seen. Now it is trying to make a fifth high. Okay, so probability can be higher. It is waiting for this particular range, and the event has also not come, so chances can be high. There will be a higher chances that it can make another new high if the price started going above this level. So chances high that it can touch a fifth high, so probability can be there. See the movement, see this is the first high, this is the second high, not much of a difference. Okay, similarly in this, but the downfall is huge. Okay, if you look at this downfall, we have not seen a downfall here, so probability can be there. There can be a chances of downfall if the price started going below a level of 2500, and if it didn't sustain, further downfall we can see. So you have to look at this particular level of 2479. So if keep sustaining a level of 2479, then we can see yes, it can sustain. But if started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, because see we have seen a good sharp fall whenever there it is making a new high. Coming back on the gold, if you look at this trend, we have seen whenever it is moving out of a zone, we have seen spend a good time looking at this particular chart. See, this is the time we have seen the price of gold is moved. Now it is moving in this zone. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, looking at the dollar index, I have already explained you dollar index is continuously on the downside, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, I have already explained you that see dollar index and gold is inversely related, so you have to understand that the price of dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up, and vice versa. Why? Okay, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. Okay, and see now there is a continuous fall we have seen, and from today we have seen there is a fall, and previous day we have seen it is trying to form a green candle. If it form a swing and sustain above a level of 100.9, then we can see there will be upside movement, and then we can see a level of 101.5. But if that didn't sustain and moves below a level of around $100, chances will be high it can touch a 99.5, and then a further downfall we can see towards $99. So you have to keep that in mind, that both the levels, okay, if started going above 100.9, a further upside in dollar index we can see, but if started falling below 100, we can see a level of 99.5 and then further low. Okay, so if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we see the gold price will come down. But if them both moves in one direction, okay, then you have to follow these rules. You have to put your SL whenever you start your trade, and trail your SL if you are in profit. Okay, that will save your profit. Now what we can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2514.18. Okay, now trading at 2512.11, it can touch a level of $2514.18, and from there it can cross a level of 2519.24, which is already being weak resistance. So chances are it will cross this level and can go towards a level of around 2526.24. Suppose if the price keep moving up with this level, it can go further upside towards 2532, and then a further upside movement we can see. What you can do is you can trail your SL by $10 to $15, or because see volatility is less, you can trail by $5 to $10. Okay, and if you're trailing, you can capture the big movement towards an upside. So probability of touching 2550 also we can see, towards 2570 also, and 2600. We cannot see how much. We can see there will be an upside movement. See the volatility, if you look at this, is less of whenever it is making a new high. So you have to understand, in order to capture a big movement towards an upside, you have to trail your SL, then only you can capture it. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, as we have seen, it is forming a red candle. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards its next level $25.09, and if the price started falling below that particular zone, a further fall we can see towards 25.03. Okay, if the price moving below that particular zone, chances of further fall we can see towards $24.93, and if that doesn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 24.86. Okay, these are the supports. So you have to understand, at these levels profit booking comes or a bounce back comes. So these are the levels you have to understand. So once started falling 24.86, a further fall we can see towards a level of $24.80, which is also a bounce back we can see. But if that didn't sustain, a further fall towards 24.60 we can see, then to a level of 24.60, then a further fall we can see below a level of around 24.37, and then a further downfall. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you need to